Hey there. You see I'm wearing my I Got This shirt because I got this. We're getting ready to do something spectacular. June the 1st, we are going to do the Burn Vision Retreat, but we're going to do it at a private home that's right on the beach. So already bring your beach chair because we're going to be sitting at the water in order to do this Burn Vision. So you know about Burn Vision. I've been doing it 10, 12 years, and Angie has been with me, and we've done amazing things. This year is different. We actually are bringing in a partner firm to work with us. And there are two words that they are going to bring to this gathering. One is future self. The other is escape velocity. And what we're going to be talking about is, who are you as in your future self? Who do you see as your future self? Where do you want to be as your future self? So that's the first thing that we'll be working on. The second thing is this whole escape velocity. And what that means is we're going to pull you out of your current circumstances. We're just going to pull you out because they're holding you down. It's just like the barriers that we talk about. So we're going to pull you out of your current circumstances, and we are going to introduce you to yourself, to your future self. We're going to introduce you to your future self. So I want you to think about this new Burn Vision as being different, as being more exciting, but still getting you to the place where you let go of the old, but then we immediately start to bring in the new. So go to my website, RitaRicks.com, and I want you to go to events, and I want you to find Mid-Year Retreat 2024 and register. I cannot wait to see you there. It's going to be amazing. You take care. Thank you.